much of bunches of collections over here. Only party wear, crop top, fancy gown, sharara and long wedding party wear gowns over here. You can see here. Only this customer has purchased, one of the South customer, and it's going to Malaysia actually. So from Malaysia also customers are tie up with us. You can also, if you are located at out of India like Canada, US, Singapore, Malaysia, you can also purchase from directly manufacturers. Here the running material, and these are the huge materials, the collections of the gown, fancy gowns and the crop top, 3-piece, 2-piece concept. And the party wear, ready to wear sarees are getting moved. Here it's going for the packing, and these are all gown collections. The executives are getting this, moving to the packing actually. So this is the way the bulk order which goes from all over the India and even the worldwide. So one of our retailer is tie-up who is put up in Malaysia. So he's having a fancy designer clothing business. He has tie-up with us. So these are like jerry work, jerkin work, the stone, all the color options over here. Every pattern you will find the color options. These are all the gown sets. I'm going to show you some gown varieties. So keep watching this video. So friends, Rani Subramanian, you all know me. So keep supporting me, keep watching the videos, and you can also purchase COD options by Pan India, worldwide advance payments, bookings also you can do. If you want to start a clothing business to add into your business on rental basis also, you can share these collections. So here are some samples what the collection has purchased. Based on that, I'm going to show you some varieties. So subscribe the channel, and quickly you can also purchase by live video calling purchase. So I have a glossy net fabric georgette base, and these collections are very beautiful. So first pattern I'm going to show you. See, Cinderella base pattern, glossy silk of this beautiful variety. So the collection is heavy chemki work. One of the blue, famous Rama blue I can say. The lining over here, and the white based can and the inner lining. So this is a party wear ball gowns with the jerry work. In this you have a net based sequence work. This you can purchase. Now I'm going to show you next pattern, the baby pink. So beautiful baby pink, only wiring work on the silver finishing, and the sharp mirror work which has been highlighted. The net finishing, there is a 3/4 lining also with the can. These are all party wear, stage wear. See, this is the beautiful pattern, and net finishing dupatta with the silver lace. Okay, this is one of the pattern. Sleeves has been given here, free sizes, you can alter it. Next pattern, if you want a subtle color, light colors also we have it. Light colors, half white, and the mirror work, wiring work which has been given here. Fancy settle, the layers you can see here. Okay, this is one of the pattern. This is the net finish. This is one of the pattern. Next pattern, lavender garden, beautiful lavender garden concept, lavender finishing with the layers. This is the pattern, floral, the shade which has been given here, the handwork, the lace with the can, lavender color with chunky light, chunky color of the same lavender. This is one of the pattern, and the heavy concept of the dupatta, just net base. These are all collections. If I talk about the rental basis, it goes around 4,000, 10,000, and based on the countries also, this goes around 80s, 90s, thousands which are selling, and few people they take it for the rental basis. So beige color, bold and diamond stone, dotted stone. So in this light classy colors which they want the royal finishing, you can see here this base also can purchase. Every pattern you have a different color options. If I talk about only thread work, lemon yellow for the haldi functions also, some girls prefer. So only white thread, highlighted or the silver finishing, curving design of the neck pattern. This is one of the pattern. You have a very beautiful color, only wiring work, and one of the ocean blue color, net based with the diamond stone. Same color of the thread work. All these lovely collections with the sequence highlighted with the silver chunky lace. See friends, these are all collections I have showed you around 1,000 rupees to 2,500 to 3,000. I have not mentioned the specific price here. If you want to know the specific price, Just take a screenshot, call on the numbers. You can talk to our online team. No damages, no quality issue, no quantity issue. So if you're finding any damages, also 100% replace option for you. If you're a boutique retailer, you can buy only crop top, fancy, sharara, garara, crop top, peplum. All exclusive collections under 3000 budget. You can purchase at factory price. So hopefully you may purchase like this collections. So let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching and what kind of collections you liked it and which color you liked the gown. So share with me. Thanks for keep supporting me. Many people are mentioning from which city you're watching, and I want more viewers to be share with me, and what kind of collections you're looking for, that also videos I can share for you. So website page, social media pages, follow it. 20 to 25,000 unlimited also, you can purchase no single piece at wholesale price. So to explore and to start your clothing business, gateway model information you can try to contact Kesaria Manufacturers. So just subscribe the channel, bell icon, just click it, keep share with your friends, relatives. Next video we'll meet up with new more collections. Until then, take care, bye bye.